Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Welcome to TrafficOS AI. TrafficOS AI is an all-in-one social media marketing automation platform designed to generate traffic and ready-to-buy leads across the biggest platforms on the internet, including Facebook, YouTube, Reddit, X, and Quora, without spending money on ads, writing every post yourself, or manually managing hundreds of conversations yourself. Everything you're about to see happens inside one simple dashboard, and it's powered by a team of what we call AI media managers, automated assistants that go to work for you on each platform, acting like a real human right inside your own browser. You'll also see access to a full training area, which will be within this whole dashboard right here, and includes step-by-step videos and a detailed guide which shows you exactly how to use each platform effectively and safely. Here's a problem TrafficOS AI solves. These platforms are full of buyers, people asking questions, looking for solutions, ready to spend. But most marketers fail because they can't be everywhere at once. They don't know what to post, where to engage, or how to reach people without getting ignored or banned. TrafficOS AI fixes that by combining AI-driven content, controlled automation, and built-in safety, and running it across every major platform at the same time. As you can see here, this is the main controller behind TrafficOS AI, the Chrome extension right here, which is basically the first thing you have to download and install into your browser. This extension connects to your TrafficOS AI dashboard. To get started, you connect the Chrome extension, and it allows you, this is exactly what allows you to let your AI workers operate in your own browser like a real person. And it takes barely a couple of minutes, and you only do it once. Then it's connected and everything is managed from your dashboard. Now, the next page we have here is the My Offers page. In this page, you tell the AI what it's promoting, basically. In My Offers, you can add your own business by just pasting your website, and the AI analyzes it to learn your keywords and your niche automatically. Or if you have an offer or a lead magnet, you plug it straight in here and it works the same way. And if you don't have your own offer, TrafficOS AI includes a library of done for you high ticket offers you can promote immediately. And you just add one by clicking the button, and you connect your affiliate link, and then you're ready to monetize from day one. Next, we have the page where we deploy our AI media managers, right? So here's where we basically set up our campaign by giving it a name and picking our offer, and then simply switching on the media managers or workers that we want. And there's a worker for everything. On Facebook, they join groups, comment, like, follow pages, and post valuable content. On YouTube, they leave thoughtful comments on the right videos. On Reddit, they comment, build karma, and start conversations. Same things goes for X. They comment, they reply, they follow, they retweet, and they grow your audience, etc., etc. On Quora, they answer questions and post content that pulls traffic for months. Now, these content creating process is very simple, and you're never copy pasting. For anything the AI writes, comments, replies, posts, DMs, you pick the tone and you pick the style. From a helpful reply to a curiosity hook to an authority angle. And the AI writes something, well, unique and natural every single time, subtly working in your offer if you want it to, with indirect promotions. Now, we also have the DM workers that on Reddit and X, for example, and you get full control over the outreach. Your AI media managers can find people actively talking about your topic and message them directly. And you decide the targeting by keywords, by specific threads, subreddits, or your own list. You choose whether the DMs are sent automatically or get queued for your approval. And safety is built in everywhere. Preferably no links in the first message, basically automatically skipping anyone you've already contacted, and daily limits based on your account's standing. So you grow and promote without putting your accounts at risk. So when you select a worker and you save your campaign, you'll find it under your AI media team. This is where your campaigns are saved. And when you're ready, you just click activate and your workforce goes to work. We call this visual human mode. Nothing is hidden. You can literally watch the tabs open and your AI workers will operate in your browser exactly like a real person would. Now, the visual human mode dashboard, we have a little nice visual radar going on here where you can actually see your deployed workers in real time. Basically, when they go to work, when they're resting, what task they're completing, and whenever they're done, basically. And you have all the activity here. You have all kinds of workers here. And as you can see right now, we just activated a campaign and the workers went straight to work on 3 different platforms. And we can see in our radar right here that Facebook workers started doing groups joining and the X workers started lead DMing and the YouTube workers started commenting. This is really what TrafficOS AI is about here. And it's super, super powerful. And you get full control, like you see here, of the entire process. Now, um, next up, we have the we have also some more activity logging and detailed analytics that you can pick up if you want to see what went wrong in a certain task, or if something went right, you'll see what happened here, how many leads were saved, how many were DM'd, etc., etc. And you can, backtrack everything, basically. Speaking of leads, for those that have the elite version of TrafficOS AI, here's really where traffic turns into real conversation. As your AI media managers find and message people, every prospect lands in this page, My Leads, basically your pipeline. And when someone replies, TrafficOS AI surfaces them right here under Has anyone responded to my DMs? Your AI media manager will draft a warm follow up message for you, this time with your offer link, because basically they've already engaged your conversation. And you simply review it and click the send. And you stay in control of every message and you can export your entire lead list at any time. You also have as an elite member, you also have the AI campaign builder, which will design an entire campaign for you in one click. You pick your offer, your goal, your intensity, and the AI builds the whole strategy, choosing the right workers and targeting automatically. You basically review it and launch. Elite also unlocks browser profiles, so you can run multiple accounts in parallel, multiplying everything you've just seen across as many browsers as you want, all coordinated from one dashboard. Um, we also have the campaign templates that are done for you, campaign templates tailored to your business, your offers, with done for you headlines, messages, outreach messages. Everything's basically done for you under this tab. We have the client management for agency users who want to scale this and create and manage up to 100 client accounts, run their campaigns for them, and sell access to TrafficOS AI through your own personal sales page. So you can offer this as a service to your audience. Or you can take it all the way with our white label upgrade, which basically allows you to run TrafficOS AI as your own product under your own name, your own colors, your own domain, your own branded Chrome extension. Your customers see your brand start to finish, and you manage them all from one place. Um, this is basically TrafficOS AI, a complete AI workforce that drives traffic and generates leads across Facebook, YouTube, Reddit, X, and Quora, working safely and automatically right inside your browser. Add your offer, deploy your media managers, and let your AI team go to work.